Hi everybody, I'm Adam Rogers with NETIO Products. We're here today to show you our new nBus multi-PDU setup. So this is a new feature. It's being released very, very soon, so stay tuned for when it actually does get released. But let's go into some details about how it works. So let's say you have a PDU and you have a problem because you need more than just the outlets that are on this PDU. But instead, you don't want to have a bunch of extra network connections and a bunch of extra communication there. What you can do is simply take the PDU and wire it up in a loop like this. So you'll have your primary unit with the network connection. You plug it in like so. And now every one of these units on all of our UIs, all of the APIs, all of the integrations will just show additional outlets, up to 24 outlets at a time. 1-2 conductor setup on this will give you that connection between them. And then from there, it just grows in size up to 24 outlets. And yeah, it's a great setup for it. Great way to kind of increase what you have going on and capability-wise. The also really cool thing about it is that this will allow you to then mix and match PDUs and feature sets. So for some reason you need Wi-Fi instead of a hardwired connection, but you need more than the 2 outlets. You put your 2 outlet in there with the Wi-Fi, put in a larger unit, maybe one of the 8 outlets, and now you have those 10 outlets to work with a Wi-Fi connection. We're really happy to see this coming very soon, so definitely check out for more information about the nBus multi-PDU setup at our website at netio-products.com. I'm Adam, we'll see you there.